How to fix connection to the server failed in Fortnite Battle Royale. Now check Fortnite server status. So go to Epic Games status page online and make sure Fortnite servers are online and working. Now restart Fortnite on your device. So close Fortnite completely, restart your PC or console and open Fortnite again. Now check your connection internet. Now make sure you have a stable internet connection. Restart your modem or router if needed. Now disable VPN or proxy. So turn off any VPN or proxy you are using. Fortnite may block connections from VPNs. Now allow Fortnite through firewall. Now open your computer's firewall settings and make sure Fortnite and the Epic Games launcher are allowed to access the internet. Now update Fortnite and your system. So as you can see, check for updates for Fortnite. Also update your PC or console system software. And finally, contact Epic Games support. So if the problems continues, visit the Epic Games support page for help. And as you can see, this is how to fix connection to the server failed in Fortnite Battle Royale. And if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.